Discover the delights of spaghetti carbonara. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of spaghetti carbonara, a classic Italian pasta dish that has won hearts around the globe. Whether you're a food enthusiast or just curious about international cuisines, you're in the right place to learn all about this delightful dish. Let's get started. Spaghetti carbonara is a traditional Italian pasta dish originating from Rome. It's made with spaghetti, eggs, pecorino romano cheese, pancetta, or bacon, and black pepper. The magic of this dish lies in its simplicity and the creamy, rich sauce that's created without using cream. Instead, the sauce is made from the eggs and cheese, which are mixed with the hot pasta to achieve a silky, smooth texture. The origins of spaghetti carbonara are somewhat mysterious, with several theories floating around. Some say it was a meal prepared by Italian charcoal workers, the carbonari, which is where the name comes from. Others believe it gained popularity among American soldiers stationed in Italy during World War II, as it made use of the bacon and eggs readily available to them. Regardless of its origins, spaghetti carbonara has become a staple of Italian cuisine and a favorite among pasta lovers worldwide. Making spaghetti carbonara involves a few simple steps, but timing and technique are key to achieving the perfect texture and flavor. Here's a quick overview. 1. Cook the pasta in salted boiling water until al dente. 2. Fry the pancetta, or bacon, until crispy. 3. Beat the eggs with grated pecorino romano cheese and plenty of black pepper. 4. Combine the hot pasta with the egg mixture and cooked pancetta, mixing quickly to create a creamy sauce that coats the spaghetti without scrambling the eggs. 5. Serve immediately, garnished with more cheese and black pepper. Remember, the heat from the pasta cooks the eggs, but the eggs should not become scrambled. The result should be a creamy, rich, and flavorful dish. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the heart of Italian cuisine with our exploration of spaghetti carbonara. This dish is a beautiful example of how simple ingredients can come together to create something truly magical. Give it a try, and let the flavors of Italy transport you to the streets of Rome. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious adventures. Arrivederci.